Hi guys, I hope you like this short animation. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a tutorial on it, but I'm gonna make this keyshot file with the whole animation process available so you can download it and check it out yourself. The file is gonna be on cgtrader.com, so head over there and make sure to use the fact there is a Black Friday sale running in the next 5 days. On CGTrader you can get this model or any other model for a really good price. Also, don't forget that it's a really good marketplace, not only for buying models but also for selling them, and I'm really happy with royalty rates and everything. And as you can see, I'm also offering great amounts of phones because I'm phone industry. Also, you never know what you can find on CGTrader because I also sometimes upload free models that you can download. So if this is something that you are about, make sure to check out the CGTrader and use the great sales that are currently on.